Hello students. Today we are explaining chapter first, large numbers. Okay, in this chapter we are explaining the digits, how to write down the digit in expanded form, place value, space value, number system, successor and predecessor also. So first we explaining how to write down the place value of the number. First is place value. Okay, place value. So first example is place value number is which number 4. Where digit place value we write down 4 in circle value. Okay, so first we write down here 4. There, please. First we write down here 4. Then after 4, how many numbers are there? There is a 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers are there. So we put 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 are here. After 4, first we count the digit. How many digits are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4 digits after 4. So we put 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 after 4 here. So like this we write down the place value of numbers. Second, also we take one number. Okay, here is 4 and 2. Here is two circle values. Okay, so we write down the 4 and 2 place value. So here we write down the place value. First we write down the 4 place value. So first we write 4 here. Then after 4, how many digits? Here is 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there. So we put 3 0. After B, here is 2. So we also write down the 2. Then after 2, how many digits? 1 digit. So we put here 0. Like this. So we how can we write down the place value of number like this? First we write down this value. Then after the value, we count how many digits are there. Then we put that 0. Okay. After that, expanded form. Okay, expanded form of the number. Expanded form. Expanded form. Okay. So here first like this. So how can we write down the expanded form of the number? First we take ones digit. Here is 4. 4. So it's a ones value. So we put 4. After 4, no many digits. So we don't put any 0 out there. Then 2. After 2, 1 digit. Here we write down 2 and 1 0. Then we take third value. Here is a 9. After 9, how many digits? 1, 2 digits. So we put 2 0 are there. Then we take this value. Here is a 6. After 6, how many digits? 1, 2, 3. So we put 1, 2, 3, 0 are there. After this, we put write down here a 5. After 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. Then last one is 2. We write down 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, we write down this digits are there like this. First, we write down this digit here like this. This digit here. Then this one. Okay. After 6,000. Then 900. Then 20. Then 4. Like this. We write down this number, particular number, expanded form like this. First we write down like this, then after we add them all. When we add them all, we find this number. Okay, this is our expanded form. One more example of expanded form, where is a 0. So we write down one more question. So here is a question. here is a 2 0 in this question. In this value here is a 2 0. So we don't take 0 digit like this or this. We don't take this 2. So we take here tens value. It's a ones. It's tens value. We take tens value. Like this 4. After 4 one digit 1 0. Then 2. After 2 2 digit. Then 0 we don't take 0. We take 6. 6 and 1 2 3 4 0. 4. Then 4. After 4 1 2 3 4 5. So here is 1 2 3 4 5. After last one is 5. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. That all. We write down this number like that form. Then this number. Okay. Then this one. Then 200. Then 40. Like this. Okay. So you know how to write down the expanded form of that number. You understand how to write down the expanded form. Okay. After this, we have how to write down the place value and face value. Okay. What place value and face value? Sorry, predecessor and successor. Place value and face value we also explain how. Now predecessor and successor. After this, digits. Okay. Predecessor and successor. Now first we take expanded form to standard form. Expanded form to. Now we know expanded form. After the expanded form to standard form. Expanded form to standard form. Okay. So here is our question of expanded form to standard form. This and this. 300 plus 40. Okay. So how to write down the expanded form to standard form? So we add that all. First we add down that number here. Then now write down this number. So we take ones digit. 1 0, then 0, then 0, then 0, then last one is 7. We also take this like this. Here is the ones value, then tens value, then 100 value. Then last one. Now we add that one. So here is a 0, here is 4, here is 3, here is 0, here is 7, and last one is okay. So we write down the standard form, expanded form to standard form like this. Okay. So we know how to write down the expanded form to standard form. Okay. It's very simple because here is only add that all number. Okay. Predecessors and successors. Okay, predecessor and successor. Anything. So how can we write down the predecessor and successor? Okay. So one example like 5. Before 5, what digit? It's 4. How can we find that number? We subtract 5 by 1. We subtract 1 by 5. So we find the 4. Then successor. What is the successor of 5? It's 6. How can we find this? So we add 1 in 5. So we find this. So when we find the predecessor, we subtract by 1. Then successor add 1. Like this we find any digits. Predecessor and successor like this. Here is a one digit like this one. Now how can we find the predecessor? So minus by, subtract by 1. So we take here 4, 6, subtract by 1. Then 6 subtract by 1, here is a 5, then 4, 2. What is the successor of 246 digit? It's 245. Then successor, so we add in 1, add by 1. So 617, here is a 4, here is 247. Okay, like this. So now you find any digit predecessor and successor. In predecessor, subtract 1 and successor add 1. One more big digit like this. Now subtract by 1. So this and add by 1. 9 1 10 0 carry 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 1. 9 1 10 like this. Okay. What is the successor? Yes. So you know how to write down the successor and predecessor of the value. Okay. After that, how to write down the value in ascending form and descending form. Ascending form and ascending order and descending order. Okay. Ascending order and descending order. So now we explain how to write down the ascending order. Ascending and descending. In ascending order, we take the smallest number in the digits. Smallest number. Smallest, then large, then greatest. Like this. Smallest, like this. Ascending order, first we have done smallest number, then greater than, then greater than, then greater than, then last one is largest. In descending, just opposite. First we take the largest number, then smallest, then smallest, then smallest, then last one is smallest. Like this. Okay. So in example, we take one example of ascending order. Ascending order example. Like here is a. So which number is small in this all digit? It's smallest digit 2. Then after 2, then 2 4. Here is the digit 6. After 2, it's 4. Then 5. Then 6. Then 2 4 5 2. Then 4. Then 5. Then 6. Then largest is 9. Like this. Ascending and descending, just opposite like. So what is the greatest number in the digit? It's the descending 9. Then 9. Then 6. Then 5. Then 4. And last one is 2. Like this. Okay. So you know how to write down the ascending order and descending order, the digit. One more example, we take the ascending order example. Then, okay. So in that all digit, which is the smallest number? Very smallest. There is a 2, 3, 4, 1, 6, 1. So which is smallest? Then. So what we take? 140. Then after 246. After that 356. Then 456. 53. Then last one is 692. It's an ascending order. After that descending order, just opposite that number. Descending order, biggest number is 692. Then 453. Then 356. Then 246. Then last one is 140, like this. So you understand how to write down the ascending order and descending order? Okay. So your first chapter is complete. After that, next video we explain the chapter second. Okay. Thank you for watching. In last video we explain the second chapter. Okay. Thank you.